Hey guys, here's a 42-inch Hunter Brighton ceiling fan in white. This one is from the 26th week of 2001, and it has reversible white and light oak blades on the top. These were sold at Lowe's back in the day. I believe they lasted all up until I think 2005, I think. I'm not too sure on that though. This was pretty much the Lowe's version of the Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus. The only difference really is it's 2 inches smaller and it has different blade arms. Other than that, it's the exact same fan as the Coastal Breeze Plus, which was sold at Home Depot. I actually have one of those as well, and it's very similar to this. This one I got for dirt cheap, had no mounting brackets, so I had to suffer. Shame because these ones have the good mounting bracket that's a rectangle, and they're very easy to install, and they don't produce a loud humming noise, which I've noticed a lot of the round brackets do. It's just a thing I've noticed. But anyway, these are childhood fans for me. I had a friend and his brother had one of these in the bedroom. It looked just like this, the only difference was it had two ball pull chains on the end. Otherwise, it looked exactly the same. Yeah, that's about it for this one. I'll try it out. Here's the light. That's just a regular 3 light kit on it. And there's low speed. I believe these came in a couple of the finishes. They had white, they had bright brass, I believe they had antique brass, and I think they had a brushed nickel finish for a short period of time. Of course, white is the most common. This one actually pushes out a good amount of air too. As for these smaller Hunters of this era, they always perform quite well. This one also came close mounted, but for the sake of testing it, I had to put a down rod on it. Sorry, I can't talk today. Here's medium. And here's high. Goes pretty fast on high speed too. Blades are out of alignment. It was removed with the blades installed. big Costa Breeze Plus right there. See, it's very similar. The only difference is those arms and these. Tag is up there. That's on this side, of course. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.